Go.
The Harper's Playhouse. Today it's a sensory box with sand and with bugs.
That's right. Today we have the all-new sensory bin. It's the Garden and Critters. It comes with Scoop, Sort, and Explorer. Fosters imagination. Fosters imaginative play, develops fine motor skills, and promotes sensory development. This is from Amazon, and we got this to do a review and help Harper with her sensory skills because she's gonna be going to kindergarten, right?
But I do gymnastics.
You do gymnastics, that's right.
What's the Venus flytrap?
It's the Venus flytrap.
Oh.
Rawr, it's so scary. But it comes with all these things. It's all one deal. Kind of cool. First off, it's a real nice bin. Sometimes they're really cheap and just cheap. But this is a nice sturdy bin. Nice lid. This is how everything comes in. Looks like you got a. We do have some damage upon arrival. Looks like the little flower pot was broken. Yeah, that's not good, but that's okay.
But where's the sand?
Well, we gotta dig in here and see what else. So there's your sensory bin information, and I think it's under here. Take this off. Yeah, something you could color on. So we have some green sand, kinetic sand, and some brown. Harper was just playing with that outside. And a bag of rocks.
Open it.
Hold on. Other than that, we have a couple little bugs, and we actually have quite a bit around the house. So.
This is real kinetic.
That's real kinetic sand. You want to film it? Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's move this one here. Let's get these broken pieces. Whoa. Art bugs. I think I might have to cut that open for you. Alright, 1 second. We're gonna open the bag. Be right back. Oh, gotta get it in the bin though. Whoa! How cool is that? Yeah. There you go. Put the green on the other side. Whoa! Look at that. So that's kind of like grassy green and dirty dirt. Okay, so hold on. Let's smooth it out. You do the green and I'll do the brown. So I'm going to smooth it out over here like this. And then we'll put the pebbles like they do in the, in the box. You can smooth it out how you want. There you go. Hold on 1 second. Let me open the bag. So you can play with those and you can dump your rock. Remember they made the rock path right here. Okay, not exactly how they did it. It's okay, you do it your way. Alright, check that out. Hey, little one. I can keep it in the bin. And then we have all these little creatures. Look at that. We have, what are these? What kind of bugs are these? You know, Harps? Can you tell me what they are?
Grasshopper,
okay.
Ant, ladybug, dragonfly, cockroach, and bumblebee.
Cockroach. Okay, well you can put them in your bin. Uh-oh, and what do we got here? Poop. Cockroach poop. I don't know what those are. Little beads of some sort. Little beads. Little beads. Like bug poop. There you go, bug poop. I don't think it's really bug poop. There you go. Can you make it like this? Oh, you use a bug catcher. Oh my. Can you make your sensory bin look like this one? Almost did it. Try to keep the sand in the bin, fool. really cool. Highly recommend it. The price was really good. I'll put the Amazon link down below in case you want to get your very own. There's I believe like 4 or 5 different sensory bins, dinosaur to space and things like that. But we had got the garden and critters. Crazy dirty fingers.
I'm not very I don't like that bag.
Oh. Little dragonfly. You gonna sting your brother or what? Chew, bless you. Dang, Harper, look at this. Come on, man.
They did that.
I did that.
And the dragonfly.
Oh, that flower pot was broken on the right. Remember, it's broken. Improvise. Sweet. Very good. I'm filming you.